come do art at Fig?
Somebody that I know referred me to Fig, and I heard you guys do digital artwork with that. Right now I am working on some series of paintings.
What skills like do you think that you've learned while you've been here so far?
Printing, more in depth with Procreate. And the good thing about it too, it's not just digital art, acrylic painting, watercolor, color pencil, oil pastels. I'm learning, it's like different types of art,
Yeah.
Being able to learn and study with, like Ray and you, and I really enjoy doing it.